Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the power and sleep settings on HP Compaq 250. To do it, go to settings. In settings, go to the system and find power and battery. Now you can just find screen, sleep and hibernate timeouts, and now you can choose it for when plugged in and when on battery. You can choose the time after which your screen will be turned off and the time after which your device will go to sleep. So you can change it, for example on battery, to the screen to be turned off after 2 minutes and device to go to sleep after 5 minutes. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.